Hi, another meet again, guys. This is a chapter number 1, Matter in Our Surroundings, Value Based and Reasoning Questions, Class 9th, Part 4. Uh, If you have newly joined this session, then my name is Rashmi झुंझुनूवाला. आई एम मास्टर इन केमिस्ट्री साइंस. ये वैल्यू बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस बहुत ही ज़रूरी है क्योंकि अब जो एन का नया पैटर्न चला है उसमें 20 मार्क्स या 30 मार्क्स के अंदर वैल्यू बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस भी आएंगे. सो ये आप लोगों के लिए इस बार के नए सेशन के हिसाब से 2021 और 22 के हिसाब से ये क्वेश्चंस तैयार किए गए हैं. Question number 1. Nisha had a function at home 2 days later. It was to start with a havan. Her father told her to bring some items for the havan. She took her friends Geeta along to the market. There was an items of camphor in the list. She made her purchase and was returning home along with her friends. Geeta advised her to keep camphor double packed, preferably in an airtight box, otherwise it would vanish after 2 days. 1 number. Why does camphor disappear in the open? What is this property known as? दूसरा, explain with the help of a diagram how we purify the camphor. Third, what are the values exhibited by Geeta? Answer number 1. Camphor has the property of evaporation into air. This property is known as sublimation. Second answer, camphor has been purified as shown in the figure. A. Take some camphor, crush it and take it in a china dish. B. Put an inverted funnel over the china dish. C. Cover the stem of the funnel with a cotton plug. Heat slowly. अब इसकी है ना पिक्चर कैम्फर प्योरीफाई किस तरह से किया जाता है वो इसकी पिक्चर दिखाई गई है. अब फ़नल के टप पे कॉटन प्लग लगाया गया है और फ़नल की नेक पे कैम्फर डिपॉज़िट हो रहा है बिकॉज ऑफ कैम्फर के हीट की वजह से और जो वेपर आ रही है उसके ना ठंडे होने की वजह से. अब डिश में कैम्फर रखा गया है, फिर ट्राईपॉड के ऊपर डिश रखी गई है और इस नीचे फ्लेम चल रही है. Camphor sublimes, its vapors rise and condense on the cooler parts of the funnel. A solid. Scratch the solid from the funnel. Third, Geeta exhibited the following values. A. Awareness. B. Farsightedness. C. Sincerity. Question number 2. A music and dance party was arranged on the occasion of marriage of Amit's elder brother. Amit has invited his friend Sanjeev for the occasion. Sanjeev suggested to Amit sometimes wonderful for the party and he told Amit that he will arrange for it himself. The program started suddenly. There were cloud-like fumes on the stage and it added to the excitement. 1. What were the cloud-like fumes on the stage? Second, what is the name given to the substance and why? Third, give the values displayed by Sanjeev. Answer 1. Cloud-like fumes on the stage were due to carbon dioxide gas. Answer 2. The substance producing these fumes is dry ice, which is solid carbon dioxide. It is so called because a solid carbon dioxide change directly into carbon dioxide vapors. There is no liquid state involved. Third answer, Values shown by Sanjeev are awareness about science, be sincerity towards the friend. Question number 4. It was a humid day. Sheila had washed the clothes and was spreading them in the veranda for drying. Her neighbor Alka advised her to spread the clothes in the open in flowing air. That suggestion worked and Sheila could collect the dry clothes in the evening. Question 1. Name the phenomena associated with drying of clothes. Second, what are the other factors influencing this phenomena? Third, write the values shows by Alka. First answer, the phenomena associated with drying of the clothes is called evaporation. Second, other factors that influence evaporation are surface area. Increase in surface area helps in enhancing evaporation. Temperature. Increase in temperature increase the rate of evaporation. Third point, wind speed. Wind helps to increase the rate of evaporation because it helps to take away water molecules from the clothes. Third, value shows by the Alka knowledge of scientific phenomena. Be care for the neighbor. Question number 4. A gas jar containing air is placed upside down on a gas jar of bromine vapor. It is observed that after some time a gas jar containing air also becomes completely reddish brown. A. Explain why this happens. B. Name the process involved. Answer 1. Particles of both air and bromine reddish brown are moving freely in all directions. Air particles which are in the upper jar move downwards in the jar of bromine, and bromine particles which are in the lower jar move upward in the jar of the air. This continues till a uniform mixture of air and bromine is obtained in the two jars. That is why the gas jar containing air becomes reddish brown. Second, this process is called diffusion. Arushi's mother always squeezes water from wet clothes in the spinner of washing machine and uses it to clean the floor. A. Write the principle of technique used in the above mentioned process. B. Write one more application of this technique. C. What do you learn from Arushi's mother? Answer A. The principle used in the process is evaporation. If water is not squeezed from the wet clothes, it will take a long time for the floor to dry. Thus, the floor may not be cleaned properly. B. Water is cooled in earthen pitchers during summer using this technique. C. Arushi's mother is making full use of the knowledge of science. She is utilized the principle of evaporation in proper cleaning of floor. Question number 6. Give reason why do solids have fixed shape and fixed volume. In solid, the particles are closely packed and their positions are fixed due to strong force of attraction existing between them. So solid have fixed shape. Since the space between the particles are also fixed, the solid has fixed volume. Second, why is air dense at the sea level? Air at sea level is compressed by the mass of air above it. Hence, air is more dense at the sea level than at an altitude. On melting of ice, there is decrease in volume instead of increase. Why? There are empty space in the packing of water molecules in ice. On heating, different strings of a hydrogen bond water molecule break and water molecules comes closer to each other. Hence, the volume decreases on melting of ice. Ice at 0 degrees Celsius appears colder to the mouth than water at 0 degrees Celsius. Why? It is due to high latent heat of fusion of water. 1 gram of ice absorbs 336 joules of heat from the mouth and gets converted to water at 0 degrees Celsius. Therefore, ice is at 0 degrees Celsius feel colder to the mouth than water at 0 degrees Celsius. Fourth, the doctor advised to put strips of wet cloths on the forehead of a person having high temperature. Explain. Answer. Water has a high latent heat of evaporation. A strip of wet cloth takes away a lot of heat from the forehead and gives relief to the person. Fourth, why are average kinetic energy of hydrogen, carbon dioxide and ethane the same at the same temperature? Average kinetic energy of any gas is directly proportional to of its absolute temperature. Since all the gas are at the same temperature, their average kinetic energy will also be the same. Sixth, liquid A has higher vapor pressure than liquid B. Which liquid out of A and B will have lower boiling points? Answer. The boiling point of a liquid A is the temperature at which its vapor pressure become equal to the atmospheric pressure. The vapor pressure of liquid A is higher than liquid B. So vapor pressure of A will become equal to atmospheric pressure at the lower temperature than liquid B. Consequently, boiling point of liquid is lower than that of liquid B. Thank you for watching video.